What's going on, you guys? It's Chris with Patchboydar, patches for the culture. And right now we're going to do a quick unboxing from this Ridge and River order that we made. We ordered a couple different hats on Amazon. This is the first two to arrive. This is going to be our Richardson hats, the 7-panel hats. Super excited for these ones. I ordered a black one and a blue one. Let's go ahead and open up this box. Got the knife. There we at. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Come on. Bam. Might need to cut the top. Let's go ahead and cut the top as well. That should be enough. Put the knife down. They shipped it in an 8x8x8 box, which is good to know because I do plan on making these custom hats for customers. And so I'm trying to figure out the box size that I'm going to need. I think I'm going to do the 8x8x6, I believe. But here we go. Take a look inside. This is a pretty big box. There's enough room to fit like at least 4 more hats in there. Got my shipping details right here. It shows what I ordered. It shows that I ordered the royal blue / black cap as well as just the solid black cap. This was through Amazon again. I do plan on ordering more hats through an actual website where I can get the price down a little bit more. But this is just to test these hats out to see if I can embroider onto them with my new brother cap driver that I got. Alright, let's get these guys out. Here we have them. These are some nice looking hats, you guys. Let's go ahead and start off with the black hat right here. Looks pretty good. This is a flat bill snapback. It says Richardson right there on the snap, which isn't too bad. I was looking at a video that Racoma put out and they were able to like embroider onto the side of the mesh. So I am going to try that out. See if I can embroider like my signature maybe onto the hats. The construction of this hat is really nice, you guys. That's why these hats do cost a little bit more. You could get them just under 10 bucks if you look on different websites. And the reason I got the 7-panel hat like so is because look at this nice wide work area, you guys. There's no seam in the middle. The seam is just right here. It gives you plenty of workspace. So if you wanted to use these hats for heat transfer vinyl, it'll be super easy to put some heat transfer vinyl on there. And not only that, it'll be easy to embroider onto there too. I have seen some negative reviews on some of the Richardson hats, some where they have like that center seam, and just how some of the Richardson hats are pretty stiff and sturdy to the point to where you might break needles in your embroidery machine. I haven't tested them out yet, but we will find out. Let me go ahead and take that out real quick. Let me feel. Let's go ahead and feel the inside of this hat. Show you guys what the inside looks like. Yeah, feels kind of sturdy. We'll see how well it embroiders. I will keep these along with the hats, so when I do make some custom hats, I'll keep that in there just for professionalism. Maybe get like little hang tags where I can hang off Patchboydar branding onto the hat. The reason I got this blue one is because I want to match it with my Honda Ruckus. With the blue one you can see the stitching a lot better. Let me do a slow pan for you guys. Nice quality stitches. That Richardson right on the back of the snaps. So I can't wait to start embroidering onto this guy. I don't know what I'm going to put on there yet, but I'm going to go ahead and hop on the computer and digitize something because I want to get going right away on embroidering these hats. And if you guys haven't seen it in one of my more recent videos, I do got this flat brim hat driver right here from Brother. It works perfectly on my Brother Persona, the PRS 100. So if you guys have a Brother PRS 100, you can pick up one of these hat brim hoops. And in order to get this guy on, I will have to kind of bend the brim just a little bit, just enough to where I can get this part of the driver onto the hat. So for instance, I'll have to go like this, curve the brim a little bit, just like that. Not too much, just enough. And then I'll have to try to find that center part. I will have to undo the sweatband and everything and like tuck it into behind this area right here. I'm not going to do all that right now. I'm just kind of just showing you a brief showing. But when you look at the cap driver and how it sits on the brim or on the hat, you can see that it follows along the curve nicely. So I definitely will be able to get a good embroidery onto this hat. The embroidery itself will probably be like maybe ½ an inch above the seam of the hat. So from like this point all the way up to like maybe this point right here. But yeah, so far so good. These Richardson hats look amazing. Let me go ahead and put one of these guys on. This black and blue option will be available for customization on our Etsy shop. But yeah, let's go ahead and put that on the head, put that on the noggin. How's that look, you guys? Am I looking suave? Am I looking debonair with my hat on? What if I switch it to the back like that? How's that look? What if I go old Fresh Prince style like that? Can I rock it like that, you guys? What y'all think? But right now, I got the hat on like the 4th hole mark. As you can see, it came already like on that 4th like little hole. Feels kind of snug. Doesn't feel super loose. So if you got a big old head, you can adjust this snapback to whatever size you need just to fit that big old noggin. I am satisfied with the quality of the hat, but now I gotta test it out to see if it's actually gonna embroider with my new flat brim hat hoop. This has been Chris with Patchboard Patches for the Culture, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.